Good morning, everybody. Another Saturday morning. August 17th. Try and get some more work done on the Nova today. Should be a little bit more productive than last time. Air conditioner in brother's shop, and then just get everything set up from being over at the school. And it didn't help that I was having problems with my son's welder, and lo and behold, the speed control for the welder we're having a hard time finding. So I went out and bought my own welder. It's a Lincoln 90i MIG. Lincoln's usually a pretty good welder, so we're going to give that a shot. It's kind of a cute little thing. I'm going to see how it does for what I need it to do. Hopefully it's a perfect little welder. I don't need anything real big, like my brother's. As you can see in the last video, his is a Mac Tools. But it's, oh man, what is it? It's a 3-in-1. I think it's like a MIG, TIG. And I think you can stick weld with it too. I'm not 100% sure, but as you can probably see from his shop, he's got the tools to get stuff done. But he's been doing it for 20 plus years. So we're gonna see what we can do today. Do like always, I'm going to shut you off, get things set up in the garage, hopefully start working. I'm gonna try and do some videoing of what he's doing too, because he's going to be working on, I think my front fenders, I think is what he had a plan on, either that or my radiator support. So I brought a camera along with me for him today too. So hopefully that all works out. Alright. I'm at his place. Unload things, get things situated. And then we'll be right back. See you later.
Said I'm coming for your head like Bring it down, go boom. Said I'm coming for your head like go. Bring it down, go boom. Said I'm coming for your head.
You're just gonna have to come out. Where you got fucking surface rust and shit. Oh, it's got maroon paint on it. See that? It's got maroon or brown paint on it. It does. That's what that is. Yeah. It's fucking paint. Brown fucking paint on it. Fucking rubber. What the hell?
We're finding out all sorts of shit for this thing. I know it wasn't. It's a yellow car. I know it didn't get fucking painted.
We bought this thing. Dad asked us today. We tracked it down pretty close. Pretty sure 93 is when we bought it the first time. Yeah. I mean, it's 76, so it's still already kind of old car. Not even a 20-year-old car, though, I guess. It was drive older than that to work.
Oh, yeah. Cool. Yeah, cool story.
Where the fuck was it we went and got this thing? They never found.
Inside.
This was the website?
Oh, how did you track it down?
Where is it?
Same
It
people.
was in the paper.
No, it was when he bought it the first time. When he bought it back, we had to go by Stanton and pick it up. The girl, he sold it to my buddy his, and then that guy sold it to this gal that we've known forever. And she still had it. It was in the barn of her grandma's farm. So we went and grabbed it out of there.
So you just decided I'm going to see if you want to sell it? Or?
Oh, I've been after her for
Yeah, we bought a brown
20
one.
years.
Me and Dad and Dylan went in together and bought a brown one from Jeff and gave it to him. Well, he posted pictures on Facebook that we gave him one. We were going to try to build a Nova like he used to have. She responded to it, well,
I guess you wouldn't want your old one back. She goes, I just get ready to talk to you. Whoa.
No shit.
yeah.
Fuck yeah.
I gave her $400.
Fuck you.
Out of the back.
No shit.
Supposedly had a bad engine.
I had that bitch running.
I've seen that.
That was the same night I fucked up the motor in the morning. He called me up and they drug me out of the house. Took him three tries before I could fucking go out.
Oh, fucking
Like,
down.
fuck no.
Huh?
I ain't coming out.
I took a picture.
Okay, leaving.
Took a picture of a case of beer.
He was betting some of the younger guys that ran around and always was at Nick's shop and stuff, and for the body shop and stuff. We got a fucker running by midnight. You ain't gonna have that fucker running. He started calling me. I kept telling him no. He called me. Come on, you can't let these guys fucking win. I got beer. I don't remember what time it was. It was after 11 when I left the house. Walked in there and fucking Trevor laid underneath it with the jump pack and arced straight to the starter. And I dumped lacquer thinner down the fucking carburetor. Boom! Lit that bitch off in there. Are you fucking kidding me? And I filled the bowl up on it. We lit that bitch off again.
11:58.
Wrapped her a couple fucking times with the fucking tall boy in my hand and said, "Bitch runs." So walk.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Fucking bitch run.
They sold fucking motor to that kid.
And then?
Putting it in the Nova.
Okay.
Basically same year.
76 Nova.
Oh, yeah.
Just in Columbus.
Just a little 305 or whatever. Wasn't it?
His had a straight 6 in it. He wanted to put a V8 in it. And he seen my post that trying to sell a freaking 305 out of 76. He went, right here and everything. What do you want?
Heck yeah, worked out.
You damn near sold him motor and shit for what you paid for the car, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah. Get your money back then.
You're good at making money. I just gave my shit.
Still a good cause.
Sell a couple things. Sold Jason a radiator and fans and put a butter rock through the fan.
Yeah. No back up yet.
No inner fenders. That's why he's like, fuck that, you're always running inner fenders. That's why, probably the number one reason this thing got inner fenders in it.
Okay, here I'm going to do a little bit of voiceover here now. As you can see in this part of the video, I'm putting the quarter panel on. Just kind of self-tap screwing, however you want to put it. It's late. The quarter skin on there, so I can double check and make sure that where the wheel opening is on the outer wheelhouse is going to match up with the wheel opening of the quarter panel. And you'll see me do this a couple of different times just because you want to make sure it's all going to fit correctly. And here in a little bit you'll see my dad popped in, see how things was going. Had a couple of other people stop in through the day and just shoot the shit and see how things were going and see what was all up. So back to the video now.
Said I'm coming for your head like.
Bring it down, go boom.
Said I'm coming for your head like.
Go, 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 bring it down, go boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Said I'm coming for your head.
Bring it down, go boom.
Said I'm coming for your head like.
Bring it down, go boom.
Okay, here's my brother doing the work on the front fender and everything that he's got. I think I'm gonna have a camera going on him each time now too, so y'all can see what he's getting done on his part. So back to the video.
Said I'm coming for your head like.
Lots of work. Well, we thought the whole car was original paint. This fender is not. But it all matched to where you didn't know it. You couldn't tell. So I can fix that mess.
Those patches come up
Yeah, they go
14 inches.
About right here is where the go to. Which I like to stay below that body line, but back here it's rusty. But it might be one of them situations where it comes along and however you want to do it. More. You know, I just gotta mess with shit.
Yeah.
Then they didn't even
You take all the yellow paint
take
off.
the yellow paint off before they smeared mud on it.
Oh, that's your fender. We're gonna have to pull all these clips off eventually, but that's your fender. Hardware you're gonna want to put in a Ziploc bag or something. So yeah.
Jesus, it's like rubber.
That's the old, what they call it, back in the day, the old filler was called like blackjack or something like that. That's what that is, because it's kind of a darker color, but it's darker, it was a gray. The filler was gray instead of the colors we got now. You can always kind of tell.
I thought I had a box there.
But can't lose that. So Tim's messing with the back of the car. I told him I'll get the fenders patched up and out of work, and the doors, and probably fix radiators for him. He's working on the back
We'll use this for fucking hardware.
for now.
Said I'm coming for your head like.
Bring it down, go boom.
Said I'm coming for your head like.
Go, go, go,
guys getting
It's hot out there.
Yeah, it is. Oh shit.
Trying to make a fender out of a fender.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. See, it wadded up a little bit more than I thought.
Oh yeah?
It was kind of fucked up. I cut this part out. We're getting her work. I gotta straighten it so I can cut all the rust out of it. You've never been there before,
Oh
right?
no. Jeez.
This was pinched tight to the wheel lip.
Really?
So I cut the wheel lip off and straightened it. We gotta take a little arch out of it. And this is all. You can see all the holes that go in it. Right here, probably have about half of the wood.
No shit.
Yeah.
Can't find a donor fender?
Not really. What, 75 to 78 or 9? So, this one's good except for this and the rest. And they make a patch, so we'll buy the patch for the bottom. I'll fix it with the brace. I got her a long ways. I'm gonna work this up a little bit, and this is about where I'm gonna have to get the torch out. Heat shrink it.
Gotcha.
But it was hit hard enough that that cowl side's caved in.
Oh,
We've
shit.
already pulled it.
Oh, that's
Pretty much
really
in
here.
college. Yep.
Fan goes.
Yep. But I gotta take the outer panel off and straighten it and all of that. So yeah, fun times.
Joys of cars.
Car.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Remind you of beating around on any old pickups or anything?
Oh yeah. Yeah. You ride him a shack when it's done already. Fuck it. Y'all
Right.
second?
Right? Yeah, this was buckled here. I still gotta work this a little bit there, but it's in pretty good shape. And we think they replaced the inner fender, the steel inner fender on this side.
Oh yeah.
Because the other one's rusty and this one isn't.
Mm.
So whenever it was wrecked, and we didn't know it was wrecked. Shit, when he owned it, all this had already been done. 93, 94. And nothing looked like it had been painted, nothing mismatched or anything, it all matched.
Hmm.
So it must have been fairly early in its life, or they did a really good job taking the color through. It's all single stage, so they probably just painted. They probably painted the door too. We might find something in there like that. Possibly. Hopefully not too bad. I have yet to ever take a door skin off and straighten it, but I'm not going to hear it can be done.
How much new doors give you?
Well, they don't.
You don't make them for these?
They don't make shit
They
for
quit
these.
making 68 to 74.
Oh shit. Like, I don't be fucking popular to find this shit everywhere.
Nope.
Shit,
Most of these cars met their demise on a circle track.
Yeah. Shit, he had 2 or 3 parts cars, and these are the best fenders.
No shit.
Mm-hmm.
Most of them are rusty, they put up to here.
I know.
This one stops about right here. I think that patch was up about this
It's
way.
like 14 inches, it says. 13 or 14 inches.
What's that? What's that? Not LMC. What's that Chevy one that makes all the fucking parts?
Classic Industries makes a bunch of shit for Chevy.
Not for these though.
Oh shit. God, that's surprising.
13s. There. But who knows how it's shaped. But I'll probably wind up coming up into here with the patch. Like when I did mine, Camaro, the one fender I patched, I just did this. It wasn't bad here. That was that fender. I patched it over. This one's gonna be. And depending on how the patch fits, depends on if I just use this much of the patch and I make that piece, or if I put the whole thing in, or there's only one place that makes the patch panel for it. We don't know if it's any good or not. We're gonna find out. They're not that expensive though.